I gotta race the black GTI real quick. Call me out. Look how he's looking. I don't know if I want to move forward.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead.
I gotta race the GTI. Too bad.
Yeah. Spinning like a motherfucker, boy. And I see what you talk about, that joint falling out of boost.
Huh?
I see what you talk about when it's falling out of boost.
Yeah.
Like that joint, like that joint
falling out of boost, really. It's really annoying, honestly. Cause the car be pulling good and then she just, you know.
Yeah.
She just dies for a second. You know.
She come back though.
That was a road race though?
Yeah, if that was a road race, that would have been a different story.
That would have been a third like shit.
Cause you spun all through first, grabbed second, was still spinning.
Yeah. Yeah. So that tells you guys that the car is putting down some power. Not gonna say how much. But obviously not enough to catch back up. So if I get him out the hole and get a good hit, you know, get a good jump on him, I'm good. But if he hooked before me, I mean, I don't know what the fuck to tell you. Like that's it. You know what I'm saying? He hooked before me. Like, he won. And I got a piss like a racehorse, nigga. This is the car I'm racing. I'm racing another Mark IV. And it's also the car I might be buying in a couple months. Y'all come out here and support Custom Cheese Motorsports, man, like real talk. So,
look at this dude.
Let's see if I'm handing out Gap sauce or if I'm getting taken to Applebee's on the first date. We're gonna find out. We got the boy Blessing over here, my boy Bless from the 90s.
Yes, sir.
You feel me? He got a YouTube channel. Go follow it. Hell no! I gotta race something that's more my speed. Hell no. Maybe on reaction time. I'm leaving all this in the video. Yeah.
Yo.
Alright, let's cut these lights on. Somebody,
Trey, you warming up or not?
yeah, I'm gonna warm up, fuck it. Actually, no, I'm not, fuck it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. Alright, no burnout. We just gonna go. Put that window up, player. Cut this heat off or we die in this motherfucker. Okay, damn, that nigga ran a 9. We ain't doing no burnouts today. I ain't doing no burnout. I ain't doing no burnout. Not this time. Not this time, Playboy. Not this time. Not this time, Playboy. Not this time. handicap and everything, bro. I bogged out and everything. Alright.
Oh.
Oh Lord, what the hell is that?
My phone.
You better find it, cause
Nah, I got it, I got it, I got it.
Shit, nigga.
Yeah, that's the map.
Oh,
Grab that
knock
too.
him out.
That was a good run though.
Hmm?
That was a good run though.
It was a good run, other than the fact that I forgot to turn off traction control and the car kind of sort of fell on its face in second gear,
Yeah.
which is weird. Yeah, but other than that, pretty decent run. I'm actually just ready to go standalone. Like, I'm really, really ready for it. You know what I'm saying? So I can find out why the car is drowning out like that. Like, I don't like that. It's fucking annoying. And it'll pick up hard, and then all of a sudden, it just kind of sort of hit this boost wall, and I don't know, it just feels like it's not feeding fuel or something. I don't know. But we'll find out. Or maybe the mass sensor is just shit. I mean, I don't know. We'll figure it out, though. That's what we do in the backyard, playboy. Alright, we gonna run this little GTI in the ground, though. You ready?
I'm gonna do a rolling thing.
We probably gotta ask them. I don't know.
Go and ask.
I guess let's just roll.
You're the one who wanted to race.
Huh?
You're the one who wanted to race.
Alright, hold on. We wanna do, can we do a roll real quick?
Yeah, you gotta start back there though, but yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright,
Who's yelling?
I guess we'll do a 20 roll. And they'll flag us.
Oh.
Ready?